Hey guys, Tim Thomas here. In this video, guys, we're going to talk about some exciting things. So stay tuned through the entire video. Don't you dare click off. Hey guys, in this video, I want you to make sure that we look at the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so when I upload a video, you will be the first to know. I want to appreciate all that attended the Millionaire Mailer conference call on last night. It was epic. Absolutely incredible. The link below, you can listen to the recording of the Millionaire Mailer conference call. Great things are happening, and we'll go from there. In this video, we're going to show you some documented proof of some things that we got going on. I'm going to show you some thoughts about financial freedom and what we need to be doing right now. Right now, in the early fall, wait a minute, fall ain't even got here yet, I don't believe. But as we're heading into fall, guys, we need to look at where we are and evaluate our strategy. So we'll go from there. All right, guys, I am going to show you some things that we got going on. I'm going to show you some systems that we're currently working with, and we're going to go from there. Before we go into that, we all know about the Millionaire Mailer. It's continuing to rock and roll. I don't talk about it as much, guys, because I've talked about it for the last 5 years. And it is a phenomenal system that absolutely works, guys. Link will be below the video. People are still signing up. People are still excited about this program. And it absolutely is still working. It's a tremendous product. Has great value. It's a done-for-you system. If you can mail a flyer or a postcard, you can win with the Millionaire Mailer. Link will be below the video. I want to show you a couple things that had came in, guys. We've got some packages here. Let's go from there. We've got a couple of packages, and we want to open them up real quick on live. You know how we do. I want to welcome. Let me cover personal information. I made a video one day. Somebody said, "Well, Tim, you're showing too much personal information." So I don't want to show people's personal information, but this is from Deborah. If you're watching the thing here, Deborah G, we're glad to have you in the program. Just came in, and 2-day priority mail. Super excited about Deb joining. Let's get this thing opened up, see what she sent in. I have an idea, and Lord, it is taped up. But we're going to get into it, guys. Hang on tight. It is taped up at the top. She did a great job in taping it up. Well, usually we try to pull the string in it. But what I'll do it just like this, guys. We'll get it open. You guys like opening stuff up on live? Okay. Welcome, Deborah, to the program. It is a Millionaire Mailer payment. Millionaire Mailer payment, Millionaire Mailer number 3. Let's see what Deborah sent in, guys, in an envelope. Let's get it open up. Welcome to the program, Deborah. So, and Deborah sent in $100. There it is, guys. I'm not gonna count it all out, but that's $100. Thank you, Deborah. Welcome to the team. And guys, let me tell you, every single, I'm making this video, guys, to make a point. Every single payment that comes in every single day, I don't post every single payment that comes in every single day. Why? Because sometimes it kind of gets redundant. And at the same time, though, the program's already worked. We've got so much proof. Do you think they work, guys? Look down here. Look at the proof. Look at the proof, 500, 100, 25, 500. Guys, the thing absolutely works when you put forth the effort to mail your flyer and your post and remain consistent. Income disclaimer, nothing happens in any of these programs until you take action. Folks, let me tell you what, financial freedom is possible. Stay tuned. I got some more to open. Financial freedom is possible in any of these programs. All these programs work online. Make money from home, guys. They work if you put the effort into them. And so I said one day, well, money ain't everything. I can 100% agree. Money may not be everything, but however, watch this. For those that say money ain't everything, watch this. I rate money right up there with oxygen and water. Go without water. If you go without water for a long time, guys, what could happen? Or any liquids. Go without oxygen. What could happen? What is possible to happen to a person that goes without oxygen for over 5-6 minutes? So I rate money right up there with water and oxygen. You got to have it. And we're showing you proven strategies, proven ways to grow your income exponentially. And if you get excited about it, if you lock arms with us, we show you what's absolutely working in the marketplace at the moment in 2020, as we're going into 2021, which I believe is going to be one of the best years of our life. There were some struggles that people had and that presented themselves, opportunities in 2020. However, we're going to move forward. And folks, the sky will be the limit. You hear me, guys, as to what you can achieve and as to what you have. Some of you need to move into leverage wealth. Leverage your way to financial freedom. Leverage your way through postcards, flyers, email follow-up systems. I cannot stress that enough. You will never make the money you desire in the amount of time that you want to make it with just traditional means, meaning working a traditional job, clocking in and out, whether it be on salary or not. Folks, I have clocked in and out. I have been on salary. But when I found out about leverage, email follow-up, when I found out about postcard marketing, flyer marketing, when I found out how to market businesses and leverage time, leverage myself, miracles begin to happen. And folks, that's exciting to be able to have $10,000, $15,000 months. That's exciting to have days that you can go and set up automated systems, guys, and commissions come in on a daily basis. It is absolutely exciting. Let's say a commission skipped and didn't come in that day. Well, it'll make up the next day or two because you'll have a $700 day. You'll have an $800 day over here, or a $1,000 day, or a $300 day, or a $200. Guys, I said all that to say this. The sky's the limit as to what you can achieve with home-based businesses, guys. It's exciting times are ahead. We are just at the beginning, folks. People say, well, I wish I would have known about this years ago. Folks, there is no time like right now. The present tense. Get started into a opportunity to build wealth and then scale to the moon. I'm going to talk about that in a minute. Let's see. We had another payment come in, guys. Another payment. Welcome to Mr. Simpson, Jason, to be exactly. Welcome to the program. We're going to cover up his information. He sent it in right there. It's Jason. Welcome to the program. Let's rip this thing open, guys. Got it open. Let's see. Here's another one. Millionaire Mailer number 3. Here's another one. Came in. Jason. Welcome to the program. Glad to have you. Look at this. For Millionaire Mailer 3. All right. This is what's inside of it. $100 bill for Millionaire Mailer 3. So welcome to the program, guys. Again, I want to appreciate all of you that are partnered with us in the Millionaire Mailer. And guys, Prosperity Home Network is still rocking. That thing, people ask me all the time, well, how's Prosperity Home Network doing? Guys, all the programs are working if you just work them. You know, I rotate videos around and go to them. I can't talk about every opportunity every day because these things are very exciting. And we're super excited to have everybody partner with us. And as we're moving forward, guys, get a hold of me. If you have a question about any of these programs, my email will be below. Oftentimes my phone number is down there sometimes. But if you want my number, guys, get me on the phone. If you have questions, You're not bothering me. Get me on the phone. And let's talk about it. Again, of course, folks, we don't. I don't want folks calling and talking 3 hours. I'm being sarcastic. But if you have questions, guys, reach out and we'll go from there. Now, that's the Millionaire Mailer. I am on. This is the information, guys. We have a conference call on Tuesday night. Here's the replay from last night, guys. We're on Mary Beth's site. There's Mary Beth. There's Benji, beloved Benji, Jimmer Shepherd. If you got any questions, guys, get a hold of Mary Beth or the person who referred you to the program, guys. You can contact Mary Beth on Facebook also. You want to talk to Mary Beth, guys, there's her number. Absolutely powerful. Ask her and what she thinks about the Millionaire Mailer. She'll let you know, guys, about the products, services, the value, quality. Look at this video, guys. We've got testimonial proof. You can get a site just like this, and we will go from there. Now, guys, one thing I'm still excited about is the ability. Let me tell you guys, growing an asset. You know, you guys want to sometimes get your social media going. Some of you that want to work personally with us, you want. I got a Facebook page, guys, but most of my social media is done through YouTube. And a lot of people do most of their social media through Facebook, Twitter, and or LinkedIn and or Instagram. You find out what you're good at or what resonates with you, and you go for it. So I got a YouTube channel on, and all these things are working, guys. I am building an email list like you've ever seen. If you're on my email list, guys, you receive probably 2 emails a day from me, sometimes 3 emails a day, talking about these systems and these automated systems and growing, having value, building an asset. Now, this monster mode, guys, and this shuffler are 2 outstanding opportunities to build an email list unlike you've ever seen. And guys, you can email these people ClickBank offers. You can email whatever you want to email them. And if it resonates, guys, you'll get a commission. I have been promoting this monster mode program right here, this monster mode, guys, and look at how I am building a list. When you get into monster mode, this is a plug for monster mode. I'm talking about offering a valuable asset, guys. You're going to get lead capture pages. You can choose from any of these lead capture pages, guys. These things convert like it's nobody's business. In other words, you can get a lot of people to opt in. And then you can build an email list, and you can send them your videos. You can send them other offers, whatever you want to inspire somebody. It's your email list, and it's a valuable asset, guys. Over the last 10 days, my Warrior Plus account, autopilot commissions, I pulled in, I said the last 30 days, but I just did that. Let me go back here to like September. I want to say that right here. Okay, about the last 10, 12 days, autopilot commissions, guys, 1154. 1154 has come in on autopilot. Guys, and I'm nothing special. I mean, I get these commissions. They come in on a daily basis, and it's super exciting to see the sales that these autopilot commissions coming in. And I've ran about maybe $350 in solo ad traffic, and the system will take on a life of its own. So, guys, these programs are absolutely rocking. Super excited about that. And I talked on the channel, guys, about this postcard here. When you get a chance, these 2 postcards are 2 of my highest converting postcards to date. I want you to take a look at these opportunities, guys. They are absolutely rocking. And I'm telling you what, I am so serious about these programs. I'm super excited. I've got a box of these right here. I got a box of 3,000 of these. 3,000 of these sitting in my closet. And look here, guys. I've ordered this yellow postcard. The yellow postcard here, I've ordered 5,000 from Ace Print and Mail. I ordered 5,000. April's going to get those to me next week. But in the meanwhile, look where I went, guys. I went to Staples. Shameless plug for Staples. And because I wanted to get started mailing right now. That, guys, it is urgent that we financial freedom. It's right now. Every day that we have an opportunity to live, breathe, and move, it ought to be focused towards somewhere in our day on a money-making activity. Guys, that's how you can build wealth beyond your wildest imagination. Every day your mindset has got to be focused on a money-driven asset. In other words, to grow your income, whether you be at the PTA meeting, whether you be at the doctor's office, whether you be at Walmart, wherever life takes you. Somewhere in your day, you ought to have a focus on a money-making activity. Set it and forget it. So that while you're doing all these other things, systems are making money for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and offering value, offering products, offering services, getting people to know, like, and trust you. And that's the whole thing about it. Folks, if you can get people to know, like, and trust you, you can create money on demand because you're offering value, you're creating good content, you're creating goodwill, you're showing products. If it makes sense, if people see themselves able to duplicate what you're doing, they will partner with you. Guys, I went out to Staples, my local Staples, and this is what they made. I had 750 of these made. That's that postcard, guys. That thing is powerful. I'm going to put the link below the I'm going to put the link below the video. The phone number. You call that phone number also, guys, when you get a chance. I had 750 of these made up. And this thing is converting, guys. Already getting calls like nobody's business. And we're going to see what happens. We're taking massive action. And I'm going to show you this real quick. I'm going to get off this video. I ordered more leads, guys. I've ordered 2,000 leads, and these come from Wolf Enterprises. 2,000 leads. These are people that have made money, and they want to make more money. So I got my leads, guys. 2,000 here. And let me show you here one more thing. Let me close the video out. I've had a box, guys. I ordered 10,000 leads from Wilson's list. 10,000. And this is what 10,000 leads. This is 5,000. I give 5,000 to the secretary. But guys, look, this here. I want you to see this, guys. This is what 5,000 leads look like when you order them from Wilson's list. Do you think we're playing, guys? I got 2,000 postcard stamps, and guys, you gotta take action. We can look at videos all day long, but you have to move forward. And do I believe in these systems? Do I believe they'll work, guys? That's my leads. That's my lead, and I'm ordering 2,000 more from another company, guys. I ordered 2,000 from this company, 10,000 from Wilson's, and we're getting prepared. We're getting prepared to go on a 90-day run into Christmas and to the end of 2020, unlike we've never seen in our lives. We are getting overly aggressive, sharing the opportunity with people to change their lives. Will you lock arms with us? Are we making sense? Guys, comment below the video. I can do this. Comment below. I need this. And if you see value, if you see content, if you see products, if you see something that resonates, if it makes sense with you. If it don't make sense, guys, don't you touch it. But if it resonates, mailing a postcard with a phone number on it, let's get going. If it resonates with you, guys, join the Millionaire Mailer. Any of these services that we got, guys, to exponentially grow your income and utilize leverage. Let's rock and let's roll. Folks, if you enjoyed the video, have a wonderful day. A wonderful day. I really enjoyed this video. And we're going to put some more inspirational videos up, guys, and go from there. If you have any questions, guys, feel free to get a hold of me, and we'll go from there. Have a wonderful day, guys, and bye for now until the next video.